Alright, welcome to today's class, everyone. So today we're going to talk about something called Aristotle Persuasion triad. Well, don't be scared by this word Aristotle. You will find the elements in this model are so relatable with each of us. You can find lots of persuasion messages right now on our social media, in our daily social interactions, which we still use this persuasion appeals proposed in this model. So today we're going to talk about this persuasion triad model, and then we're going to specifically focus on one element of this model, which is the communicator's credibility. So this is the big picture of this model. So we can see this model has these three components: ethos, pathos, and logos. According to Aristotle, if you have these three elements in your message, this will make your message more convincing, more effective in terms of persuading other people. And after we learn these three components, you will find all these three elements or these three strategies that are commonly used in today's advertising. So let's kind of take a look at each of these three elements. We're going to start from ethos. Ethos, we also call it speaker credibility or trust. So the basic idea is for ethos is this persuasion effect will be achieved by establishing the fact that the persuader or the message sender is trustworthy, is likable, and is knowledgeable. There are several ways for us to establish these trustworthy or likable or knowledgeable impressions, such as, well, you can invite an expert, or you can present a testimonial and make yourself, make the message sender sound fair or unbiased. At the same time, you could also introduce your expertise, your knowledge, your accomplishment, try to establish this credibility. For instance, I have two advertisements shown here to give you guys an illustration. So we can see for this vitamin water, this brand invited Kobe to endorse this product because Kobe is a well-known athlete. So we can use the public's respect and admiration towards Kobe to kind of promote this product, given the fact that Kobe is likable, he is a trustworthy individual in this field. And for this one, instead of inviting a celebrity or a well-known person, this toothpaste invited a doctor to speak up for this product. So the behind logic is that they believe doctor has expertise, is knowledgeable in this field. So the public is more likely to trust this doctor, to trust her testimonial. So that's kind of the behind logic of ethos. The basic idea, again, is we want to kind of invite people who are admired, who are respected by the public to speak up for a product or an idea. We want to establish the credibility of the source of the message. And next, I also prepared a video, an advertisement video. Please click the video example 1 below and take a look at this advertisement and kind of get a feeling how ethos plays a role in this advertisement. Hey, welcome back. So you can see in this video example 1, it's a video promoting an online class. So basically, the company, they invited the well-known directors or actors to promote their class. So they are using this ethos to sell their product. So that's the first component in this model. Let's move on to the second one. Second one, we call it pathos. Pathos is related with some kind of appeals of emotion. So the basic idea of pathos is we try to persuade others by appealing to others' emotions and by creating an emotion response, such as enjoyment, happiness, sadness, or even anger, or even fear. So this strategy is commonly used in lots of movies and shows to elicit strong emotions from the audience, and then form some empathy. In the meantime, they want to sell their product or they want to achieve some persuasion effort. So the commonly used methods to kind of elicit strong emotions include we can tell a compelling story, we can show our audience some kind of really strong, powerful, and striking pictures to create some emotions. And here I have two examples in the health communication so let's take a look at these two pictures first. So first picture is apparently trying to persuade people not to drink and drive. So basically they are showing this picture to elicit some fear from their audience and using this fear to promote this desired behavior. And same thing with this smoking PSA, this health message campaign. So they are showing there is a hole in this lady's throat. And the idea is the same. So to elicit a very uncomfortable, probably some fear feelings from its target audience to threaten them or to warn them that if you keep smoking, probably this is likely to happen to you. Okay, so that is the second element here, pathos, that is related with our emotions. No matter what kind of emotions will be elicited, but the idea is I want to elicit some emotions so that I could sell a product or to promote, speak up for a behavior. So next, I also prepared a video for you guys. Take a look at the second video here, the moments, and come back to our lecture. Okay, welcome back. We can see in the second video, this brand was trying to sell the cars. Okay, welcome back. We can see in this video, this brand is trying to sell its automobiles. So first, they used this little story to elicit some uncomfortable feelings from the audience, such as nervousness, anxiety, probably shock. And then they were trying to make the associations of the relief of these uncomfortable feelings with their product. So again, I think I would say the main strategy of this advertisement is using these pathos or emotional appeals. The last one, we call it logos or logic appeals. So basic idea for logos is we want to persuade others by appealing to others' logic side through, reasoning, through facts or statistics or using, charts and graphs. So the common ways to use this logos is to present the target audience with logic reasoning, statistics, and facts to sell a product. Such as this medicine can prevent 90% of the stroke, heart attack, or this pill can help you lose at least 20 pounds. So basically, we are using these facts or evidence or this coherent structure to promote a certain product. So here is an example I found online to using these logos. So we can see that it's Burger King, and Burger King is selling its fries by saying that this product has 40% less fat and 30% less calories. So basically, they're providing you the data, the evidence to talk about the merits of this product. Also prepared a video example So please click the video example 3 below and take a look at this video, Meet iPhone X. Okay, welcome back to our lecture. We can see that this advertisement was presenting all those strengths, all those fancy stuff about iPhone X. Apparently it's using the logos to promote its product, to attract its potential customers. Okay, so that is the 3 basic elements of this Aristotle persuasion triad model. So next, let's kind of practice all these concepts. And this is the third question you can choose for this week's exercise. So I'm going to ask you guys to identify an ad for a product or service on YouTube. This ad uses ASOS, pesos, and logos respectively. So which means that in total, you are gonna find 3 advertisements. And then these 3 advertisements will primarily use ASOS, pesos, and logos respectively, okay, to promote their product or service.